Actually, what หลวงตา point is very, very important, not only for you, Anuranga, but for everyone. It's because we always attach to self. Even you come to practice, you are the one that have to practice and have to understand everything. But before you didn't come to practice, you attach to the other things a lot, right? We attach to many things, attach to family, attach to work, attach to everything outside. But the one who attached is still I. But when you change from the world, attach to the worldly thing, and you change to practice the Dharma, I am the one who want to practice. So you see what is the core of problems? I. Because the believing in I is come from ignorance. But when we attach to something outside, you can't see that I am the one who attached other things because you always focus in the others. Oh, baby, I love her. I would like to stay with her. I worry about her. It says you have no time to see the ignorance because the mind always focus to the others. It's like the case of that lady. When she attached to her niece, her nephew, she can't see that she's attached to herself. Because in every moment she always do everything with her niece, her nephew all the time. So that's why that's something that you attach to, but you can't see the real manipulator is a self. But when you stop attached to all those things, now you come to practice. And you come to here to learn about what is mindfulness, what is present moment. After that, you try to help yourself to not attach, to be in the present moment. You see who want to take interest. I want to take interest. So now why you have to see I who want to take the interest? Because otherwise if you practice and you want to get Nibbana, want to understand Dharma, I still exist. But actually the truth is there is no I. But everything that you have done even in the world or even come to practice is come from I. So that's why when you come to practice, you see everything as it is in every moment. Oh, I understand this. I understand present moment. I understand that to let go. But you have to see there is I who want to practice, who want to understand more in order to realize the truth. This is the real ignorance. Have to see it as something comes and goes as well. Even the one who want to practice, the one who understand everything. This is another thing that comes and goes in the nature. It's not the permanent I that can stay together. Because you that understand everything, it's like Anuranga, I see, I let go of everything, I forgive everything. This is another one that can speak in the nature. There is no self. Even the one who understands everything, it's just something comes and goes in the nature. There is no one attached to it. It's just something comes and goes. Even the knower, the one who realizes the truth, it's just something comes and goes in the nature. No one attached to it in every moment, even the understanding. That is the real Nibbana. No one attached to anything. It's not like I not attached to anything, but even I that not attached, just something comes and goes in the nature. Nibbana is not state that I have to get something, but no one attached to even the one who understands. There is no I who realize the truth. Let it flow in the nature like the others.
A question pops up when you mention this is how do we apply this to discipline? Let's say like even what we do here today, the discipline to get up and go and attend and do that stuff. That's attachment to how does that work?
Now, Anuranga, the knower that talk to me now is another speaking mind. No one attached to this knower. Let this one go. It's just another thing that comes and goes in nature. Because the pure mind can't do anything with this knower. Not attached to it as a self. And now the knower still speak, but no one attached to.
Okay, and understand in the sense of you don't have to plan and do, just let whatever happen. Doesn't matter what the outcome is.
Stop doing anything. Stop trying anything. When the mind stop doing anything, try to do anything, the nature reveal itself.
Anuranga, we kind of lost you there. Did you recognize that two people just passed by?
Yes, but feeling like I don't need to do anything about it, or I think just like the attachment that I have to answer or anything, even I just let it be. Just what's coming through.
Just relax right now, because you seem really lost in your thoughts, which is okay. So just come back and be with everyone in the room.
Yes.
No need to try to be here. Do you feel the nature?
Yes, I think I keep sort of sending the mind to the focus of the water behind there, but feeling everything. And as you said that, I think I feel like it's going too much there. I'm trying to close off the world a little bit, but as you said, to open up, I feel like that's understanding.
It's just really no trying. It's natural. No need to take yourself to have to focus over there. Even just right now I'm talking to you, I can notice the wind, but not have to like look around. It's just feeling it naturally. So right now maybe you hear Luangta talking in the background, but you don't have to like, yeah. Or you naturally sitting there, naturally feeling the mic in your hands. Maybe you hear some noise of the fan. More mumbling over here. It's just whatever naturally happens.